Hello everyone, this day I'm going to show you best car crash videos, and some car crash videos is very interesting, terrible and scary. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and let's go to video. These videos are very interesting, bro. I promise you, and I sure to these videos you will never see again or did not you have seen before. Okay, let's go to videos. This, oh my god. Oh my shit. Oh my, what are you doing, man? Are you dreaming? This driver, I think too, he's dreaming GTA 5. Really, really. Oh my shit, my grandfather driving like him. Some drivers really like to play GTA 5, really. This man's dreaming. Really, some drivers like playing GTA 5. Really, I guess this. I believe my humors. Oh my god, what are you doing, man? What the fuck, man? What are you doing? Wake up, man. Really, what's this? What the car crash? I don't believe if I did not saw with my eyes. I think this driver is not human, or idiot human, or he's a cow. I am 15 years old and I think I am a better driver than him. Bro, what are you doing? I think he's older and he's driving car like my grandfather. Really, my grandfather drives very bad. These some drivers like my grandfather, and some old drivers is very worst, man. Police would control all the man's passports or cars. Really, some man's thinking to this is not real life. This is a GTA 5 game. Man, wake up. This is not GTA 5, man. What are you doing? Please be careful. You're on the road. There's as many people, or there's a many drivers like this video. In this video, what you say? Okay, we are around. You can see drivers like in these videos. Be careful, man, I am saying to you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. I have very many videos in my channel, and you can check my channel and you can see my videos. Car crash videos is very interesting videos and very scary or terrible, and you can be aggressive if you watching these these car crash videos. And these car crash videos, some are recorded in United Kingdom. And what he's doing, man, road is on near you. Why are you going on left? Why? Please tell me, what's your reason? What? Well, are you aggressive or are you an ham and cow, man? What? Wow, idiot. This or this, I think this older or 15 years old or 7, not 70 years, my grandfather age. I be ashamed when I see this video. Really, I'm seriously, man, I'm seriously. When I editing these car crash videos, I am very worried, and I'm very aggressive. I will be aggressive when I editing these videos and when I seeing these videos. I'm watching. It's my fault. Some videos, there's some videos when I watched this before, and I think this is not real life. This is or get a 5 or 6 are and movie. scams. Really, I think that because their car crash or their bad drivers, it's very uncommon, right, man. I did not see even these videos, and in my around, there's not many drivers like this. I know some bad drivers, but in this video, drivers very unhuman, man, very cool idiot. Some are IQ is lower, man. They did not use their brain. Please, man, be careful. Wake up! Oh my god! Brothers, I want to end my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. And more videos are in my channel. You can check up, you can watch. Okay, goodbye, I love you.